guys for look at type 6, where you have a combination of resistor, capacitor and a delta function. So first thing, whenever you have a delta function, ramp function or unit step function, straight away you start at t greater than 0 plus condition for Laplace. So draw a circuit for this condition. Delta of t, 5 ohms, capacitor, that is your 2 farads. Now I need to convert this network into a Laplace network. So convert that network. So for the formulas, guys, please refer the previous case. It won't be repeated once again. Laplace of delta t is nothing but equal to 1. 5 ohms will remain as it is. Resistance doesn't change in Laplace. Capacitor will become 1 upon Cs. So 1 upon value of C is 2 into S. This will be your I of S. So apply KVL. This will be 5 plus 1 upon 2S into I of S. Current is negative, it will become positive. So I of S will be equal to, it becomes 10S. 10S plus 1 upon 2S. We shift over here 2S in numerator. So it will be 10S plus 10S plus 1. So always make the coefficient of S as 1. This will be 2S upon 10. This will be S plus 1 upon 10. So I of S will be equal to, so take 2 upon 10, the value which is nothing but 0.2. 0.2 into S whole upon S plus 1 upon 10 is nothing but 0.1. So apply inverse Laplace transform. You get I of t, I of S as I of t. 0.2 is constant, right? So you have S upon S plus 0.1. So how do you go over it? So in this kind of sum, always you have a formula of 1 upon S plus 0.1. So let's apply the inverse. If I need to apply inverse, my dear friends, if I observe very carefully, I don't have 1 upon S plus 0.5, but I have S upon S plus 0.5. For this term, my dear friend, I don't have any Laplace inverse formula. To get the formula, I need to little modify the equation. What do I need to do it? The term which I have in denominator, I have 0.1. So I need to add and subtract the same term in numerator. After adding and subtracting the same term in numerator, you have to pair it. So just pair it in this form and split it. So S plus 0.1 upon 0.1. This will be this upon this. So this will get cancelled, you will get 1. So this 3 steps were done only to remove S from the numerator. Because when S is removed from the numerator, then only you can apply Laplace inverse. So multiply the term inside. So you get this equation. Apply inverse transform. So 0.1, this is nothing but constant. Laplace inverse of 1 is nothing but your del of t. This is your constant. So 1 upon this. So plus, so it will be e raised to minus. So 1 upon S will be u of t. That will be your equation of I of t. Thank you so much, guys. Signing off. Thank you.